Hey everyone! If your volume bar is stuck on the screen on your Samsung phone and it won't go away, don't panic. This is a common issue and we're going to fix it step by step, nice and simple, just like before. First, you want to check if the issue is happening because your volume buttons are controlling the wrong volume type. Sometimes you think you're adjusting media volume, but the phone is actually trying to change your ringtone volume instead, which makes it look like the volume bar is frozen. So open Settings, then go to Sounds and Vibration and tap Volume. Now look for the option that says Use Volume Keys for Media. Toggle it on or off depending on what you need. This remaps what the volume buttons control, and for a lot of people, the volume bar starts behaving normally again right after this. If the volume bar is still stuck, the next thing to check is Do Not Disturb mode. When Do Not Disturb is turned on, your ringtone volume basically freezes, and pressing the volume keys doesn't seem to do anything, which makes you think the phone is glitching. To fix this, open Settings, go to Notifications, tap Do Not Disturb, and just turn it off. Give your volume keys another try afterward. Now, if you're still having the issue, there's one more feature to check. TalkBack. This is an accessibility tool meant for visually impaired users, and when it's turned on, your phone behaves differently, including how the volume buttons respond. So go to Settings, scroll to Accessibility, then tap TalkBack and switch it off. If TalkBack was enabled, your phone might ask you to double tap to confirm. That's normal. Just double tap to turn it off. Once you've done that, your volume bar should finally go back to normal. No more stuck bar on the screen, no more glitchy volume controls. And that's it. Nice and simple. If you found those helpful, make sure to stay tuned because more fixes, tips, and tutorials are coming your way.